People think that the meme coin wave is over, but they have no idea what's actually happening behind the scenes. Every day, while everyone's arguing on Twitter about rugs and scams, there's a small group of people launching coins that prints thousands of dollars in literal minutes. They're not getting rugged, they're running the whole show. And the best part, it's not some secret club. You don't need to know a coder or pay a dev on Discord. There's now a way to launch a fully tradable coin on Radium in under 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Because once you understand this system, you'll never waste another dollar buying into someone else's shitcoin again. So let's start with the truth. Most people are stuck on pump.fun. It exploded because it was simple. Anyone could launch a coin in seconds, but now it's a victim of its own popularity. Thousands of coins launch every hour, and half of them are just jokes. No, 99% of them are just jokes. They all die within minutes. And even if your coin gets a few buys, the chart's not going to move and there's no real volume, there's no upside. You're just fighting for scraps in an arena that's flooded with bots, fake hype, and zero liquidity. It's like trying to go viral on Twitter with one follower. It's just not going to happen. So yeah, it's a decent tool if you actually can pull numbers and you know how to advertise and you can pay people to advertise your coin. And then there's also Radium, which is this DEX, and this is where the real plays are happening. It's a decentralized exchange on Solana, but unlike pump.fun, it's not full of spam. The coins that launch here actually move. You'll see charts go from 0 to 600 million in just a minute, just like this. And this will all happen within 5 minutes. Like you can see 4 minutes ago, look at all these charts, 400K, 60K, 800K in 2 minutes. Like, it is just absolutely insane. Until recently, launching a coin on Radium was really hard. You needed to code, you need to write contracts, deploy them, manage liquidity pools. It's just not something you can wake up and do. But most people didn't even bother trying. And that's exactly why the opportunity exists right now. Because there's a site called coinflare.fun, which just completely breaks that barrier from needing coders and devs and to just doing it like on pump.fun. It takes all the complicated back-end stuff and just wraps it in a clean interface that anyone can use. It's not hype, it's just a system. And I'm going to walk you through it. So step 1, just go to Coinflare. There's 2 things you can do on here. You can press create coin or you can copy a trending coin. If you copy a trending coin, you can copy one that's trending on pump.fun right now. And you can press create coin and in one click, it'll just create. Make sure your wallet's connected and then press create coin. And then as soon as you press it, it's not going to be on the Radium DEX just yet. When you have to do one more step, you have to add a liquidity pool, which I'll show you how to do in a second. But you can also make a coin, like make it all yourself. So put in all your stuff, put in your image, keep the decimals at 9, keep the supply at 1 billion. Description, put in your description. Websites and socials, if you want to add fake ones, you definitely can. Creator information, turn this on and delete these 2. This just makes sure that no one can see where you've made your coin from, so people know it's not a rug. You can keep it off if you want. I recommend putting it on and deleting that. These 3 must be on or else you get no buyers. These are just the audit results that you'll see over here. And then press create token. As soon as you've done that, you can go to manage liquidity and we're going to make a liquidity pool in under 2 seconds. So choose your token, make sure it's selected, and then make sure Sol is selected here. Click 90% here, and then right here, you want to put in 0.1 to 0.5, however much you want to put into the liquidity pool. The more the better, but you can do this with 0.1 Sol, it doesn't really matter. Then press create pool. As soon as you've pressed create pool, it'll pop up right here, brand new coin. So let's just pretend this is our coin. You'll get buys instant. Like look how many buys this coin is already getting. It's just been up for 30 seconds. You'll get buys, you'll get sells. This liquidity will go up and you need to wait until this liquidity is at a number where you want it to be. As soon as this is done, go back to this website, click on manage liquidity, scroll down here. It'll be right here under your Radium pools. Click refresh, make sure the same wallet's connected so it can go to your wallet. Click refresh, click the red minus button, click 100%. Just like that, all in your wallet. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.